Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of Computer Tech World channel. Now in today's video we are going to see the one Excel's magical trick that you have never seen it before. So let's get started. So here I am on the screen of Excel sheet, and here the trick is whenever you will type a name like Sam, and if you will change the gender to male, then immediately Excel will change it to Mr. Sam. So here another name like Sun, uh, whenever I will type as female as gender and I will hit enter, then it will change as Miss Sun. So if you want to learn that how to bring Miss or Mr. before the name, so watch this video till the end. So select the cell where you want to write the person's name, go to conditional formatting, and here click on new rule. Here click on use a formula to determine which cells to format, and here click on this text box. Here again select the place where you want to write the gender. So here remove the dollar sign between I and 6, and then after that uh, write is equal to, and then here type open the double string and here type male, and then close the double string. Here click on this button format. Here go to for number tab. Here on the left click on custom, remove the general, and here start a double string, and here type Mr. and then give a space, and here close the double string. Here type @ here click on OK, again OK on conditional formatting, and here whenever I will type a name and I will type male, then it will change to Mr. Sam. So we have to copy the format to all cells. So here format, yes, we have applied. So wherever you will type a name, and here whenever you will type male, then it will change to Mr. So now if you will write female, then it will not work because we have not applied the rule. So again, where you want to write the name, select that cell. Again go to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Click on that. Here on the text box, again select the place where you want to write the gender. Here remove the dollar sign between I and 6. Here write is equal to. Here type female, uh, inside double string write female. So after writing all these, click on format. Here click on custom on the number tab. Here remove the general. Here type start double string, and here type miss, and then here give a space and close the double string and type here @. So already preview has been came Miss Sam. So here click on OK. Again OK. So here why it is not coming as Miss, because we have not applied the format. So we will copy the format to other cells. Yes, now it has come Mr. Miss whatever name. So I'm writing a appropriate name, so it is coming the appropriate word that we want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up to this video and comment if you have any doubts regarding to this video. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.